Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute since I've dropped a video, but life has been happening for me. I started cosmetology school at Paul Mitchell, bought a home, retired from the military. A lot of things has been happening. But today I will be doing a tutorial on the new length of my hair because I had to let it grow out from the cut that I did in my previous video because of color damage. Never coloring my hair again. But the products I use on my hair, I saturated my hair with the Chi Protected Serum, and I use Nairobi's Biotin Oil. I will have that listed down in the description below. The flat iron I'm using is Red by Kiss Red, the 1/4 of an inch titanium flat irons. I used them in the previous videos. I will list those down as well. I'm just doing pin curls, just random curls in my hair, just showing you how I do my hair now that it's a longer length and it's healthier. If you have any more video requests or questions, please list them down in the comments below. I will be sure to answer them or make videos of your requests. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let it go. So in love, I'll give it all away. Just don't tell nobody tomorrow. So tonight, I'll do it every way, because I can till the morning light, 'cause we like to party. Is driving me crazy. I can't explain the way I feel. Top down with the radio on, and the night belongs to us. Just hold me close, don't let me go. So in love, degrees. I ain't worried about them Ophigans over there, but they worry about me. I got a homeboy named Butter and another homeboy there named Cheese. Well, with me, baby, I make it milk till it drip down your knees. Spit this shit for real low, brain real low. Kiddo say he looks up to me, this just makes me feel old. Never thought that we could become someone else's hero. Man, we were just in the food court eating I get rolls. Yesterday, that's the way. Every single morning I try to pray. Grandmama and them, they never forgot. Nothing else really mean nothing to me. I ain't studying to be talking to me. Why you mess with me? Move on, ain't nothing to see. Always something to solve. I'm the wrong, off the rip. Cause of him, all of them will remember. But the men that they fell in love with rap. Black like having your cousin back. Blue like when that rent is due. Cream like when I'm left.
I'll give it all away. Just don't tell nobody tomorrow. Cause tonight's the night that I give you everything. Music rockin' till the morning light. Cause we like to party.
The swag, so she drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo. Oh.